Today I'd like to show you a little bit of the working conditions I have for building these briefcase size layouts. This is my cart for carrying everything. It's got a vacuum cleaner, it's got a charger for my electric drill, and it's got a power pack. And on top is a fixture for holding an inverted layout so I can do the work on the electrics. It's got the same position pads as occur in the Rokuhan briefcase, so the layout sits here comfortably just like it is in the briefcase. I'll show you that in just a minute. And here is the Rokuhan platform on my fixture so that I can do the work on the underside. All the wiring and the foam insulation that's great stuff to keep the whole platform more rigid. This is the sound card right here that plays the locomotive sounds with the speaker pointed out the tunnel opening right there. Here's the relays that change the red and green signal to red, green, and amber. And here is the Stapleton block detector to tell whether the train is there or not. Everything is labeled. All my toggles are in this corner here, and the power comes in through this main terminal right here. So that's what the underside looks like, with lots of great stuff. And here is the finished product, a Rokuhan briefcase with a backdrop mounted forward. It mounts back in the lid for storage, but it's got velcros that hold it in place. The platform, of course, is held by 3 feet in the case, 2 of the corners that catch the layout here, and 1 in the center in the back. This is the standard Z-scale pattern for a tunnel layout. It's a folded figure 8, but I've used N-scale track with 150 millimeter radius. In the middle I've got a sawmill with a working water wheel on the side and the Tomcat mousetrap manufacturing company right here. Also got a little maintenance away speeder, a Fairmont, with a little trailer on behind, the guy working there out of a toolbox. Got signals on both sides of the tunnel, and they will show green when the tunnel is clear. When the train passes, they'll turn to yellow, and the oncoming signal will show red. There's a train coming your way. The turnout is electrically controlled right here, and it is indicated by this little 2-light dwarf signal. It'll show green when the main line is set, and it'll show red when it's set for the siding. The siding has a little brief cut in the rail here that isolates one rail. The gap is bridged with a diode, so when an engine comes in here, it will stop at the end without running off and having an accident. The diode allows the current only to flow to pull the engine back out again. Let's see how it all works. Turn the power on. We get lights at the sawmill. We get green lights at both portals. Have a little Plymouth diesel up there. Let's give him a start. A little purr of the diesel, and out he comes. Pick up the speed a little bit, and the sound picks up accordingly. We'll throw the turnout so that he can go in the siding. Notice the amber light and the red light oncoming. Now he takes the siding and automatically stops. When you reverse the power, he backs back out again. Something interesting to note, when we back into the tunnel, we get a yellow signal. If you reverse in the tunnel, the signal goes red, indicating the change of direction, and you have an oncoming train. It also has steam sound, a chug-chug with a toot whistle. And that's my Rokuhan briefcase. Thank you for watching.